We shape what light becomes. Dreamers and doers, designers and engineers, working under one roof. Guided by generations that came before them, constantly adapting our legacy to what's coming next. From first sketch to final glow, every step is considered. Designing, engineering, assembly, testing. Nothing rushed, nothing left to chance. Because where it matters most, confidence is not something we claim, it is something we carry. Preciosa lighting, confidence in craft and light.